Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a humpback whale. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So the eye is going to be right here. So I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down. And then another line that just kind of curves down and up. And then I'm just going to color in most of this eye and just leave a little bit white. Now right above it I'm going to add a little line, and then I'm going to add a little line below it, and I'll put another little curved one right there. They have some little wrinkles around their eye. Now I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve down, then it's going to curve up, and it's going to go down right underneath the eye. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this one down, and then I'm going to go in and then kind of curve back down like this. Now, when I get to here, I want to make one of their little fins or flippers. So I'm going to start right here pretty close to the eye. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to be a little bit bumpy, and it's going to kind of curve out to here. Then I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to just kind of curve out. I'm going to put a few little bumps on here. And then I'm just going to go out and then kind of curve it back in so it connects. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go real close to the mouth, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space in there. And then I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to curve a line that's just going to kind of go around, and it's going to kind of curve up here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it in, and I'm just going to kind of curve up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then I'm going to jump over the fin over here, and I'm just going to kind of curve up. I'm going to make this line a little bit more curved. Then I'm just going to kind of bring this line up and this line up. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to kind of curve it in and go up to here. Then I'm going to kind of curve down like this and go up. Then right here I'm just going to kind of curve this line down and then bring it back up for another fin. Then right about here I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come back for kind of like a little bump on the back. And then I want to add some details. So I'm just going to kind of connect this line to here, and I'm just going to kind of draw a long line that's just going to go right to here. I'm going to make another little line that just kind of runs right along here. And then I'm going to make some long lines that just kind of go right along the curve of the whale here. And I'm just going to kind of curve these all the way down here. Then I'm just going to add some broken lines around here. Add a couple little kind of curved lines on the fins here. Do the same thing over here. Put a couple little kind of like wrinkly lines and curved lines around here to show where the fins are sitting on there. I'm just going to add a couple more little lines just right along here. Just little broken lines all over. I'm going to add a couple little lines on here, and then just some lines just kind of go right down the body. Add a couple little more lines around the eyes of the whale. Then I'm going to add some little bumps on here. Usually they have like lots of little like barnacles and stuff stuck to them, so I'm just going to kind of add these onto here. I'm going to put some at the bottom too. add some couple little broken lines just right around here. And then some more all over here. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines going around here as well, just to kind of help show that he is kind of like a rounded shape. And there you go, there's your drawing of a humpback whale. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.